How to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily delete an Instagram chat from both sides permanently. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here you can simply select any chats. And once you are inside the chats, you can scroll through your message or select the conversation that you want to delete. As here I am sending a message to the individual, and now to delete this message, you simply have to press and hold the message that you have sent. And from the pop-up menu, you can simply tap on the unsend option. And you can confirm it by tapping on unsend again. And by doing this, this removes the message from both your chats and other person chat. However, keep in mind that this only works for the message that you have sent. You cannot unsend messages that the other person has sent. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.